Now I try to rotate the compass module from 0 to 360 degrees and put the degrees picture for helper. Now you can see the heading on the serial monitor is accurate enough. Welcome back to Milliohm with only one L YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use the HMC5883L sensor module. This sensor is a 3-axis digital compass made by Honeywell. 3-axis means this sensor can detect movement on X, Y, and Z axis, or usually we call that 3-axis magnetometer. So it's not only the direction in degree that we're able to extract. From the datasheet, it said that this sensor has 12-bit ADC that enables 1 to 2 degrees compass reading accuracy. And it has I2C communication. This module is GY273. We can see on the center the HMC5883L IC. This module already has SCL and SDA pins, so this is an I2C sensor module. Before you use it, we need to solder it first. As always, it's so easy to use an I2C sensor with an Arduino. Just connect the power pins that are VCC to 5V, ground to ground, and SDA to A4 and ACL to A5. For a clear view, this is the wiring diagram. If wiring is completed, now open the Arduino IDE. First, you need to download the library. Type HMC5883L and I will use the HMC5883L library by Adafruit. Choose the last version and click install. After that, you should be able to open the example file in the library. Choose the example file named Max Sensor. You don't need to edit anything, just upload. And after the upload is completed, open the serial monitor. As we can see on the serial monitor, we got the values. They are X, Y, Z, and of course the heading degree. Now I try to rotate the compass module from 0 to 360 degrees and put the degrees picture for helper. Now you can see the heading on the serial monitor is accurate enough. I also tried to move the sensor module to different axes, and we can see the X, Y, Z value are changing. Since we have successfully used this sensor, so I think this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe because more videos are coming. Thank you. Bye.